When I'm asked the question what Alltech is and what does Alltech do, I realize in fact what the world of question games are all about. Alltech is in the business of improving animal health, and we're improving animal health naturally. And the games is our way to tell the world that that's what we do. We make nutrients, natural nutrients, which improve animal health. When we think about, again, the founding of Alltech was back in 1980, I came to the United States and specifically to Kentucky and specifically to bourbon country because my background is I'm a brewer, I was a brewer. I have a formal degree in brewing, I have a PhD in brewing and fermentation. And so I came here with a view to going out into the bourbon industry, producing yeast, which is exactly what I did. Alltech came about when I saw other opportunities beyond the whiskey business, beyond the bourbon industry, beyond the beer. But that's why we're here originally. But we're still here for the same reason, and that reason has to do with yeast. We are yeast experts, and virtually everything that we do harks back to our background in yeast. I've always looked at yeast and thought, well, yeast is the most natural product out there, the most natural microorganism out there. It's used in so many different things. It's used in candy, it's used in junior mints, it's used as a source of pharmaceuticals. I mean, it's so natural. So our products, if we look to the animal industry, we focus on the problems. Colic is a problem with horses. Lameness is a problem with horses. Tie-up is a problem with horses. But horses are fundamentally a big old fermenter. And the animal is eating grass, or should be eating grass, so the animal is eating the feed. And so we have to make sure that that fermenter is stable. That's what I've been doing all my life, is making sure these fermenters are stable. So what our products do, one of them, for example, focuses specifically on fertility. So, and it's based on yeast, so that when the mare is giving birth, it's absolutely crucial that that mare gives birth fast, because in nature that's what happens. It's the most vulnerable time of an animal's life. So we improve tissue integrity, and therefore the mare, and the University of Kentucky has shown this, that we're actually improving the rate of birth, the speed of birth, 2-3 times. We have other products which take on colic. Colic is a fermentation problem. It's a gas problem. It's the animal, the horse, goes out onto fresh grass. It's rich in sugars, and the bugs go crazy inside. Well, we have a product, and it addresses that. We have other products which help with foot problems. We have other products which help with coat condition. Coat condition has to do with mineral metabolism. And we put all of these products together, a number of individual ingredients. And bear in mind, when I try to sell my products in Europe, I have to go through the equivalent of the FDA in Europe. And we are the only company allowed to make a claim with a natural product for colic. It's called Yeast. We're the only company allowed to make the claim that we improve fertility, both the fertility of the mare and the fertility of the stallion. But when we put all of these things together, which is what we're trying to do now through the games, we have a product called Lifeforce. And for the first time ever, the average owner of a horse is getting the products at the right level, at the right time. And frankly, it's amazing. It's been amazing to hear the response coming back from the people. Now, I shouldn't be amazed, because after all, the data showed all of those things. But what really has amazed me is how rapidly people have now taken on to some of these products. And that is one of the reasons that we're the title sponsor of the World Equestrian Games. We want to be able to bring to the equestrian owner, to the trainer, to the vet, something which is working consistently, something which has university data behind it, nearly 30 years of university data behind it. And now for the first time, we have it in a package. And that's Alltech.